Tiled roof, waterproofing, long-lasting protection by Brooks Chemical Services. Is your tiled roof leaking during the rainy season? Are water seepage and cracked tile joints damaging your home? Brooks Chemical Services brings you a premium, tiled roof waterproofing system that provides durable, long-lasting protection. Our waterproofing process. Complete surface cleaning and preparation. One base coat of BCS 2000 primer for maximum adhesion. A proper repair and bandaging of all tile joints, cracks, and damaged areas. Application of a 3-layer EverSeal waterproofing coating system. A final flexible rubber-like waterproof coating for maximum protection. Benefits: it stops roof leakage and seepage, seals tile joints and prevents gaps from reopening. A flexible rubber-like coating that expands and contracts with the roof. UV, rain, and weather-resistant protection. Extends the life of your tiled roof. Your professional finish with long-lasting results. Protect your roof before the next rainfall. Choose Brooks Chemical Services for reliable and durable tiled roof waterproofing. Call WhatsApp 0333-0300-200 who visit www.brookspk. Brooks Chemical Services. Professional waterproofing and heat insulation solutions.